So this is how you can trim out the video on your Android. Let's get started. And if this is your first time here, make sure you subscribe so you never miss anything important. So of course, you can perform some changes to a video in terms of the trimming inside of the gallery. When you open it up as such, you can click on the pencil button and at the bottom and make the changes right there. And of course, you can grab the timeline and either trim it from the left side or the right side. That's pretty obvious, but if you want to trim out some specific parts of the clip, like it might be some part in the middle, right? So you don't want to trim it from the left side or from the right side, but you want to remove something in the middle. And if that is the case, we unfortunately do not have the option right here. Instead, we need to use a video editor. More options are available, depends on which one you want to use, but I usually recommend people to try the CapCut. It's because it's just very simple, and the point is that you can import the clip into the timeline, and you can in here as well just grab it from the left edge or right edge to trim it, but you can as well see a little like straight line, and this is where you can put it to mark the beginning of the part you want to cut out. Click on a split, then move to the right, tap on a split again, and you have like one clip into the middle which you can select and delete, right? And that's how you can effectively trim out parts of the video that you don't want to keep there. So that's something you can most definitely do. Just do not forget to export the video, because that's how you can save the changes and have the video ready and saved in your gallery. But yeah, that's it from me. Let me know what you think below in the comments, and I'll see you later in the upcoming tutorials as well.